Aeden's Adventures. Today we're opening some Hot Wheels and another car. And my cousin already broke it open, so he's just going to be a box man for a while. Yellow. Oh, you did yellow, huh? Yeah, it goes for blue car. So, a blue balloon. Let's start. Cover. Purple car. Yay! Balloon. Let's start. I want. Purple balloon. Let's start. Start. I want to go massive. Okay, smash it. Go. Cool. What did you get? What color? Wow. Next one. It's getting balloon. Let's start.
What color is the balloon?
Green balloon. Let's start.
Smash it now.
We're too druggy.
Yeah.
That's, here you go. Red car. Blue balloon. See, Mama? It's purple. Then it's black. I want to smash it. I want to smash it. I want to smash it.
What color?
Purple. Red.
Are you okay, Aeden?
Mama, I'm going to I was using these two. I was using that and this. Purple balloon. Purple.
I'm okay, baby. Are you okay?
No.
You're not okay?
Purple balloon. Let's do this. Yellow car. We messed up. Sorry. Car. What do you mean before? You mean blue balloon.
Blue balloon.
That's black.
What color car?
Yeah. Black, Mommy. Red car. No, that's the other one. This one. I'm making mud with the hands. Welcome to the mud bus, where you can, I will drive you to the mud park. And every car is having fun at the mud park. And we're going to bring all of the cars to the mud park, and they're going to have so much fun. Mud.
Ate Keke, say hi.
Ano? No, don't spray. Tickle it. Stop it, never queen. Yay, murdered. Yes. Yeah, that's my favorite. Yay, this is.
Pour some over here. Pour some here.
White car.
Where? Show me.
I could barely move white car. I could barely move. It's not easy to drive.
Yes, it is. Look, you go like this. It's like this, so it can get more softer.
I'm gonna get cards.
Water.
This one is so gooey. It's gonna be yummy. Who do it? Yee. Yay! Oh, this is fun.
Can you please get some napkin? Mama Anna, get some
Mommy.
This is fun.
Fun.
You said this is mine. Say bye.
Bye bye. And I could barely move. Ew. Yucky. Hey, this is my favorite. Yucky. Yuck. Ew.
Yeah.
Here?
Say thank you.